Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove a bank account from Zoho Books. This is particularly useful when you no longer need a specific bank account connected to your books, or if you want to clean up your financial dashboard by removing inactive accounts. To get started, open a web browser on your computer and navigate to zoho.com/books. This will take you directly to the Zoho Books login page. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has administrative access to manage banking connections, as this permission is required to delete bank accounts. After logging in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. From here, look over to the left sidebar where you'll find various navigation options. Click on the Banking tab. This section is where all your connected bank accounts are managed, and it gives you a complete overview of your financial connections within Zoho Books. Once you're in the banking section, you'll see a list of all the bank accounts currently linked to your account. Browse through this list and select the specific bank account you want to remove. Clicking on it will open up the detailed view for that particular account. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon which serves as the settings and options menu for the selected bank account. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing the account. From this drop-down menu, select Delete. This action will prompt Zoho Books to prepare the deletion process. However, before the deletion goes through, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. In this confirmation pop-up, click on Delete It to finalize the removal of the bank account from your Zoho Books. One important thing to note before you attempt to delete any bank account, you need to ensure that all transactions in that account have been uncategorized and unmatched. If there are any categorized or matched transactions still associated with the account, Zoho Books will not allow you to proceed with the deletion. This safeguard exists to protect your financial data integrity and prevent loss of important transaction records. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.